Alright, so here's how to remove the ground glass assembly and install the 6x17 film back on a Chamonix 45 series. This is an F2. I assume the N2 probably works on the same principle. The H probably the same, but haven't messed with an H, so I don't know for certain. So, the way you get this off, as you can see on the bottom here, there are these hooks and pins. It's a hook and pin assembly. So this actually just pops out. And you see that the silver pin just slides out of the black arm there and slides back in if you let it. There's one on the top as well, same thing. So you just need to get a hold of those pins and slide them out of the tabs. Out it comes. Right, so your ground glass is out. Put that aside. So this is just a standard way of attaching these things. There's a groove on the right hand side here. That groove will match up with this ridge on the side of your 6x17 back. So you just place that on. Got to locate it. There, you'll feel it pop in. And on the top, on the bottom, there are just little cams that you rotate. So on the bottom, just rotate that one, and on the top there's two more here, so rotate that one and rotate that. And that's it. Back's in, good to go. So taking out, obviously, reverse of installation. Pop your cams out. The ground glass is extremely easy to put back in. Just set it down and just slide it. Done. And you're ready to go for your standard film holders. So you can obviously do this with the camera, you know, in normal shooting position. I chose to do it collapsed just because it's a little bit easier. There you go.